Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the right workspace. Pick 1920 by 1080 or a custom size, and set DPI to 300 if you plan to print. Once done, import your reference images and assets into the gallery so they are reachable while you work. Make 3 starter layers: background, sketch, and reference, then lock the background to avoid accidental edits. These first actions get your document stable and organized, so the detailed design steps flow cleanly. Now you construct forms and apply color. Switch to a vector layer when you need crisp, scalable shapes, and use the pen or shape tools for precise edges. Once forms are down, block in flat colors using the bucket or a solid brush at full opacity, and organize fills on separate layers with clipping masks to contain edits. Then refine by adding shadows and highlights. Use multiply for shadows and overlay for vibrant color boosts, making sure to name layers for quick adjustments later. Finish by adding texture and corrections. Subtle paper brushes and grain give depth, and then adjust levels and hue/saturation to unify the palette. When exporting, choose PNG or TIFF for transparency and JPEG for web. Always inspect at 1:1 scale to catch compression issues. If you hit odd artifacts or performance lags, rasterize the troublesome layer or bump DPI slightly, then re-export. This quick workaround often resolves rendering glitches without redoing your entire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.